In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact creators on Patreon. If you want to reach out to a creator directly, Patreon makes that process fairly simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you have a question about membership, want to ask about content, or just need to communicate through the platform in a more private way. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it without confusion. First, go to Patreon and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one profile or browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the messaging and community features tied to your account. After that, look over to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll want to click either Chats or Community, depending on what appears in your version of Patreon. Then select Direct Messages. Patreon's layout can sometimes vary slightly, so don't worry if the wording or placement looks a little different from what you expect. The important thing is to find the direct messaging area where private conversations are stored. Once you're in direct messages, find the search box and type the creator's name. This helps Patreon locate the person you want to contact. As you type, matching results may appear, so take a moment to make sure you choose the correct creator. This is especially helpful if there are several creators with similar names. When you find the right creator, select their profile from the search results. Then click into the message area, type your text, and hit send. Before sending your message, it's a good idea to quickly review what you wrote for clarity and tone. Keeping your message short, polite, and specific can make it easier for the creator to understand what you need and respond more efficiently. And that's it. Once your message is sent, it should appear in your direct message conversation so you can keep track of it there. If you don't get a response right away, remember that creators often manage a lot of messages, so replies can sometimes take time. That's how to contact creators on Patreon. Follow these steps anytime you want to send a direct message through the platform, and you should be able to connect with the right creator quickly and easily.